Some people are quietly making $10,000 a month using nothing but AI tools. And no, they're not tech geniuses or millionaires. They're regular Americans, teachers, marketers, even stay-at-home parents. In 2025, AI isn't just changing jobs, it's creating brand new income streams. From faceless YouTube channels printing passive cash to custom AI chatbots that pay recurring every month. Today, I'm breaking down 7 real ways everyday people are cashing in with AI right now, with realistic earnings, tools, and how you can start. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind, stick around till the end. The last one is blowing up right now in early 2026. Smash that like button if you want more money in your life. Let's go? Number 1, and probably the most viral right now, faceless content channels. People are using AI to create entire YouTube shorts or TikTok videos without ever showing their face. Tools like 11 Labs for voice, Runway, or Pico Labs for video gen, CapCut for editing, all automated. Real examples? Channels and niches like motivational stories, top 10 facts, or true crime docs are hitting $10,000 to $80,000 a month once they scale. One creator reportedly quit retail after making $150,000 last year on faceless YouTube. On TikTok, faceless accounts earn 20 cents to $1 per 1,000 views. A million-view video can pay $1,000 easy. Start. Pick a niche you like. Post 1 to 3 videos a day using AI. Many hit monetization in 3 months. This is semi-passive once rolling. AI does 80% of the work. Number 2. Supercharge freelancing with AI. Writers, designers, marketers, they're using ChatGPT, Jasper, or Claude to produce 3 times faster. Real stories. One guy charges $150 per AI-enhanced blog post, and it's $9,000 to $12,000 a month writing 60 to 80 posts. Another does local SEO for law firms, $1,800 a month per client, 9 clients equals $16,000 a month, working 25 hours a week. Even beginners offer prompt engineering or AI content editing on Upwork, earning 40% more than traditional gigs. Platforms love AI-fluent freelancers. Start on Fiverr or Upwork. Showcase before and after examples. AI isn't replacing you, it's making you unstoppable. Number 3. Custom AI chatbots for small businesses. This is recurring money. No-code tools let you build bots that handle appointments, customer questions, leads, in hours, not weeks. Real example, a guy targets dental offices, charges $800 setup plus $200 a month maintenance. With 15 clients, that's $3,000 recurring plus new setups equals $4,600 to $5,400 a month on 15 hours a week. Businesses pay because it saves them hiring staff. Number 4. AI-generated digital products. Pure passive income. Use Midjourney for art, ChatGPT for ebooks and courses, Canva AI for planners and posters. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, Teachable. People make planners, motivational printables, or AI prompt packs. Create once, sell forever. Real earners. Some hit $1,000 to $5,000 plus a month passively after initial uploads. 1. Forbes mentioned Hustle. AI digital products scaling to 6 figures over time. Low cost, high scalability. Perfect side hustle. 5. AI-powered social media management for small businesses. Batch create posts, reels, stories using AI tools. One woman manages 11 clients at $2,400 a month, each equals $15,000 a month on about 25 hours a week. 6. AI voiceovers and video editing. Tools like Murph.ai or 11 Labs for voices, Runway for edits. Freelance $50 to $500 per project or sell voice packs passively. Both are in huge demand and easy to scale. And number 7, exploding right now in early 2026, selling AI agent automations. Build simple agents using no-code tools like Zapier plus GPT that automate emails, leads, data entry for businesses. People charge $1,000 to $10,000 for MVPs or monthly retainers. Freelancers using agents earn 22 to 40% more overall. This is shifting from side hustle to full business fast, because companies need automation yesterday. AI isn't the future, it's right now. Regular people are turning tools into $5,000, $10,000, even $15,000 months. Which hustle excites you most? Drop it in the comments. Faceless channels, chatbots, freelancing. If you want step-by-step guides for any of these, subscribe and hit notifications. Next video drops breakdowns plus tools. Start small today. The AI money train is leaving the station. See you in the next one. Go make that money.